Welcome everyone to this tutorial where I will be talking about how you can actually use an image to search for a product on 1688. Let's say for instance you have logged in the 1688 and you don't actually know how to search for a product or the name of the product or to get exact picture of the product you are looking for. Let's say for example a client gave me this image here, this shoe, to search for her, and I don't actually know the name of this shoe or how to actually get this exact shoe since there are many products on 1688. So what you would need to do is to get the picture or the image and then log into 1688 and then simply click on this camera icon here. Then let's watch and see. Then all you just need to do is click on the image and then open. So let's wait for it to load. Now we can actually see it loading here. So you can actually see that from that image I'm able to get many suppliers who have the same kind of product I'm looking for. So all I just need to do is just hover onto any of the supplier I want and then check the price and compare the price and even the weight and see maybe which supplier ships faster and maybe the ones that have many years experience. Let's say for instance this one has 80 years experience, who has been in this business for 80 years and he's selling the shoe for 30 yuan. And this one has been in the business for 6 years and he's selling it for 25 yuan, and this one to 6 years. And while this one has been in the business for just 1 year and he's selling 49 yuan, so 49.75 yuan, and this one has been 4 years and he's selling it 27 yuan. So guys, this is just how you can use an image that you have from a client or a customer to search for a product on 1688, and it is very good for you to actually, it helps fasten you searching for your product on 1688 because you actually don't know the name of the product, and because you may get a lot of images. So let's say for instance, let's just go back and let me type children's shoe. So I type children's shoes. So let's see. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below what you actually find difficult on using 1688, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can actually see it. Because I type baby shoes, you can actually see that I'm seeing different kinds of baby shoes here, but I've not seen that picture exactly the one I just searched for using that image. Now you see that this one to look alike, but it's not the same with that one. So you can actually see that there are different baby shoes here, quite different from that one that we saw and searched with an image. So let's say for example, and I was just busy searching and looking for baby shoes without knowing exactly that one the client sent to me. So it was much easier for me to just use the image and just search for baby shoes. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I appreciate